Hi guys, I'd like to cover a new script, AEJuice Unprecomp, and you see all the questions I'll cover today. Let's jump right in. The basic usage is it unprecomposes the precomp in After Effects. And yes, that's pretty much it. Next you have a bunch of controls. You can select the preferred move or leave attributes, so it changes to move. And you can uncheck the ask each time, so it just unprecomp automatically. Next, we got a question if it works with latest After Effects versions and M1 Mac. Yes, it does. We've tested it, it works fine. Then we had a problem if the precomp didn't start from frame 0. The unprecomposed layers were moved back to frame 0. And now let me show you. It doesn't start from frame 0, and you need to choose move all attributes, these options, in order for it to respect this start time. As you see, it moved. And together with respecting the start time, it also covers a bunch of other properties, like let's say change the scale or position, and you do the same. So all those layers should scale back. They are parented to the null, and the null is adjusted to the precomp scale. That's how it works. Next, we got a question if it works with multiple layers. Let me duplicate it. Yes, it does work. Just select multiple layers, and that's it. Next, modified scale position I already shown you. And lastly, AEJuice toolbar and K-bar integrations. Let me open K-bar. So you can add our script by adding a new scriptlet, add button, run J6, select our Unprecomp script. It is located in the scripts section. So this is the path, and this is your After Effects version. And select Unprecomp. So these parameters could be left empty, and you'll get that prompt every time. But there is advanced option. If you go to the docs section on the website and open the documentation, you will see the documentation for this script for integrating with AEJuice toolbar and K-bar. So this is parameters that you can copy and go back and paste here. What it means. So there is an explanation for each type of parameter and examples which values they can get. Let's say the type by default it's leave all attributes, and you can change it to move all attributes. So let's change it this, and for the ask each time by default it's true, and you can make it false. This is a pop-up that you see that asks you to choose if you want to leave or move attributes. So it's good for me. I press OK. Just name it something. Okay, and now if you press the button, it should unprecomp automatically. Yep, that's how it works. And if you were to play with settings, like with parameters, it will adjust the behavior, the default attributes, and ask each time or not. And lastly, AEJuice toolbar. It's similar logic. Press that button, select your icon, run G6, select the file, Unprecomp, and that's it. This is your icon, just close it, and once you click there, it will Unprecomp. I think that's it, guys. And another note that we have documentation for all of our scripts, and all of them can be integrated with our AEJuice toolbar and kbar. AEJuice toolbar is free. You might not see it yet because it was just released, but it should be available for all users, I would say soon, maybe a few weeks, up to a month. We are just testing it with a small group of users, and so far it's going good, but keep your horses. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon.